Dirty South, can y'all really feel me? Feel us. East Coast, feel me? Feel us. West Coast, feel me? Say what? Dirty South, here we go. Can y'all really feel me? Baby girl. East Coast, feel me? West Coast, feel me? Can you feel us? Dirty South, dirty, can y'all really?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see since I made a full video on YouTube. If you guys are new here, hey, I'm JaMya. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm doing a wash and go using the avocado hydration line from Cantu. And this is what my hair looks like after being freshly washed. I'm just parting it into a smaller section, going into the avocado hydrating cream. This smells really good. I love the texture of Cantu's creams, and they just give me like a really nice creamy texture. But I'm just applying this all over this smaller section just to make sure that my hair is getting moisturized. And I'm also adding water just to add in a little bit more moisture, just so each strand can be coated with the cream. Next, I'm just going to be just really coiling up my hair a little bit and pretty much just getting it to my liking. And moving on to the next section, I'm kind of just doing the same thing, just raking it through my curls. And this is what my back section looks like with just the cream in my hair. Now we're going into the hydrating gel, and this is just like a regular gel consistency. I feel like it has like a medium hold, not too heavy and not too harsh, but I'm using the praying hands method, and then I'm just kind of raking my fingers through it just to make sure each curl is defined. Just curling in a few pieces. And now we're moving on to the next section. I'm kind of just doing the same thing with adding in water and then adding in the cream just to make sure my hair is moisturized and the curls are starting to come through. Now this may seem like it's just going by really fast, but honestly, when I try to do my wash and goes, I try to keep them at a good pace and also make sure that I'm getting every strand of hair, because it takes a long time just to do a full wash day. But I'm also just doing the same process over and over, so I'm kind of editing it in a shorter version. But we are finally at the top, so I'm doing the middle part. Me and middle parts have been going together real bad lately. I don't know, I used to love side parts, but now I'm kind of getting into the gist of doing a middle part when I do wash and goes. But yeah, this is what my hair looks like when it is wet, and the curls are starting to pop out, you know, they're looking real cute. But yeah, definitely go ahead and check out these products. My hair has lasted a full week using these products, and now we are on day 3 here. This is what my hair looks like. The frizz is starting to come through a little bit, but I can just easily touch it up a little bit. And yeah, but this is what my hair looks like. I love it because my hair is very moisturized and it just looks really good. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.